Good morning to all the students. Hope you all have seen part 1 of chapter 3, The Little Girl. Moving ahead in the part 2, we'll see on Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. So, what happened every Sunday during the afternoon time? Kezia's grandmother sent her downstairs to the drawing room, and in order to spend some time with her parents. So, Kezia was supposed to behave in a nice and decent way in the front of her parents, and they had a formal get together. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushion, sleeping soundly and snoring. Snoring means a sound that is produced by someone when they are asleep. See, so here we feel that Kezia she felt a bit neglected. Why? Because every Sunday afternoon when she went to her parents to meet them down in the drawing room and have a nice talk with them, they were busy doing their own things. For example, mother was busy reading the book and father was sleeping and snoring. So Kezia what she imagined that her parents in her mind that they did not talk with her and they didn't spend time with her, and on the other hand they were busy doing their own things. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked time and then looked at her. See, so all while Kezia's father was asleep, when he was asleep, she would just sit on a stool and watch him carefully, looked at him till the time he would wake up and stretch his body, and then would ask the time and look at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Kezia's father would compare Kezia with a little brown owl, and he would say that Kezia was staring at him just like an owl. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pincushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. See, now what happened now? Kezia was not well and she had a cough. So she was supposed to stay at home. So her grandmother suggested that as she was at home and her father's birthday was also coming, she could make a birthday gift for him, and she asked Kezia to make a pin cushion. See what to make a pin cushion for as a gift for her father, and she also gave her a yellow colored fabric of silk to make the cushion. Laboriously means with lot of effort or difficulty. With a double cotton, the little girl stitched three sides. See what she did? She stitched it. Kezia put a lot of effort to make the birthday gift for her father, and she used double cotton, that is the thread, and she stitched three sides of the cushion. But what to fill it with? That was the cushion. Now, when the Kezia has prepared the bag shape of the cushion, and she has stitched the four sides, and before that she had to fill the before filling stitching the fourth side, she had to fill the cushion with something, and she did not know what to fill the cushion with. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. See what happened? Wandered means she went, and scrap means small pieces of cloth or a paper that are not needed. So Kezia was confused that what should be used to fill the cushion with, as her grandmother was out in the garden and she was just looking for something. and then she reached her mother's bedroom, and she was looking for bits of papers or cloth to stuff into the cushion. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces, and stuffed her case, then sewed up the fourth side. See what she did. Now Kezia, a small little girl, and she was very young. And now what she do? She took the table. She went near the bed table and she found the sheet of paper. And so she just gathered that all the sheets and then she tore them and stuffed and those pieces of paper into the cushion. And then she stitched the fourth side of the cushion and she had prepared a birthday gift for her father. So many of you can relate to Kezia's act. Many children do such things unknowingly. They do not intend to create any mischief or they don't want to harm anyone, but they end with doing it. Now Kezia had torn some important papers. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. See, hue and cry means angry. Angry was a protest. Father's great speech for the Port Authority has been lost. See, now what happened? There was lots of shouting in the house. Why? Because Kezia's father had prepared a speech for the Port Authority for a particular meeting, and he was unable to find it. And now we all know where the speech has gone. It has been torn by Kezia into a small pieces and it has been stuffed into the cushion. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. See what happened now? The family was searching it everywhere and they asked the servant also. But no one knew where the sheet of paper had gone. And finally, the mother reached to Kezia's room. She comes to Kezia's room. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on the table in our room? She asked. Oh yes. So Kezia's mother asked her that did she see some papers lying on the table in the room? Then, oh yes, she said, I tore them up all for my surprise. See, now what happened? That Kezia was an innocent girl and she did not intend to harm anyone. She was just preparing her birthday gift for her father. And so truly she told her mother that she found some pieces of paper. And what did she did with that paper? She stuffed it into the cushion. And she tore them all and prepared a gift for her father. That's a birthday gift, and that is unknowingly Kezia has done a great disaster. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. See what happened now. Kezia's mother was so furious, and when she came to know that Kezia has torn the speech that her father is looking for, and so she ordered Kezia to come down into the dining room. And at that moment only, she told to come downstairs in the dining room instantly. Hope you all have understood till here. In the next video, we'll read ahead. Thank you.